Install dedicated combustion appliance ventilation during new home construction to prevent backdrafting and ensure safe operation of gas appliances. For a safe and effective upgrade, start by choosing direct vent appliances with sealed combustion whenever possible because they draw combustion air from outside and exhaust directly outdoors, which eliminates reliance on house air. Pressure. Size, vents, and ducts according to manufacturer specifications and local code, and use rigid venting materials where required to reduce resistance and leakage. Measure run length and count elbows so you can calculate equivalent length and select the correct liner or pipe diameter. Provide makeup air to offset large exhaust devices such as range hoods by installing a dedicated makeup air duct with a powered inlet or an engineered passive inlet size to match the hood flow rate. Place the inlet where it will not short-circuit exhaust paths. Maintain required clearances from combustibles and follow slope and pitch rules for horizontal runs to ensure condensate does not pool. Insulate vent runs in cold climates to prevent flue gas condensation. Install battery backup or hardwired carbon monoxide detectors with battery backup in hallways adjacent to sleeping areas and on each level, and test them monthly while replacing batteries annually, even if the unit is hardwired. Finally, schedule annual appliance inspections with a qualified professional who will check combustion efficiency, vent integrity, draft, and any signs of spillage so you can catch problems early. 3 common mistakes are using shared or undersized venting, which causes negative pressure and backdrafting, not providing balanced makeup air for high-flow exhaust devices, and ignoring yearly inspections, which allows small issues to become dangerous. Fix shared or undersized venting by separating combustion vents or upsizing to meet the appliance load, and by routing vents to individual terminations where practical. For makeup air, simply install a properly sized inlet that activates with the hood, or install a transfer fan tied to exhaust operation so the house does not go negative. For missed inspections, set a recurring annual reminder and document the technician's findings so you track repairs and maintain safe operation. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare services related to combustion appliance ventilation upgrades, and we also help contractors find work by allowing them to list their services and connect with projects. We host an active discussion community where homeowners and contractors share practical tips, installation experiences, and product recommendations to support safer systems.